I hope everyone's having a good day. Hope the weather's nice wherever you're at. A little gloomy here today, but we're still inside, so I guess we'll be okay. It's not going to rain on me in here, I hope. All right, Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 6, Lesson 6. I am Mr. Short. My fourth grade class is also on Module 6, Lesson 6 today, so that's an interesting comparison. All right, a lot of new subscribers. Thank you, guys. I hope this is helping. Let more people know so we can help out more people. Circle the rows. Remember, which way do rows go? Which way do columns go? Columns hold things up. Rows go across. So we have 2 rows of how many of each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 rows of 5 is 10, right? So we have 1 row, another row equals that many, right? All right, let's look at what it says. Circle the columns. Which way do columns go? Columns go up and down. Good, good. All right, 5 columns of, so how many is in each column? 2. So 5 columns with 2 is 10. So what this is showing us is 5 times 2 equals 10, and 2 times 5 equals 10, right? Because down here you see 5 columns of 2. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's just showing us how to set up multiplication. I told you guys that's where we were going with this. All right. So we have 5 columns of 2 is 10. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces here. So those are all going to be the number 2 because I want to know how many is in each column. And we still know that that equals 10. On the back, we got blank rows of blank is blank. All right. So rows, those are our rows. How many rows do we have? 4. How many are in each row? 3. So 4 rows of 3, or 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. All right. I'm not going to help you with the rest. You got to do that. And look down here. It says draw 1 more row. How many baseballs are there now? Draw 1 more column. How many baseballs are there? So you're going to have to add another row later, and you're going to have to add another column to do these 2, and then tell me how many baseballs there are here and then here. All right, so you have to add another row later. There's another row, and then another column later. There's another column we'll have to add later. Okay? Take your time, do this. Make everybody happy. We're getting close to the end, guys. Every lesson, we're getting close to the end of Module 6. So that's the last module. All right, I'm out of here. Have a